In this video, we'll walk you through adding a feature to a feature layer in Survey123 while troubleshooting multiple tag errors. Let's get started. First, open the Survey123 app on your device. Then navigate to the feature layer where you want to add a new feature. Tap Collect at the bottom of the screen and fill out the form with the necessary details. Once you've completed the form, scroll down to the InfraMarker section. Press the Start button, then tap OK to proceed. The right screen will appear. Now, point the RFID reader at the feature you're adding and pull the trigger. If you receive a multiple markers detected error, InfraMarker cannot write to multiple tags at once. At this point, you have three options. Remove any extra tags that might be in range. Adjust the power settings. Abort the write operation. Let's go ahead and remove any extraneous tags and then press Try again. Now point the RFID reader at the feature and pull the trigger. If multiple tags are still detected, we'll need to adjust the power settings. Reducing power affects the read portion, limiting the number of tags detected. After adjusting the power, press outside the settings menu, point the RFID reader at the feature again, and pull the trigger. Once data is successfully added to the form and written to the RFID tag, note the tag number displayed. Scroll up to the InfraMarker ID section and ensure that the same number is recorded. Double-check all form details, then press the check mark in the bottom right corner, and then press Send Now. Congratulations, you have successfully added a feature to your feature layer while troubleshooting multiple tag errors. Thanks for using InfraMarker.